Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I will be explain that how to fix your connection is not private or secure on Google Chrome. This will even work on any other browser. So if you are getting this kind of message while opening any website, so how you can fix it? I will be sharing two different methods that you need to apply all of them, and after that I am very sure that you will get rid of this issue. Now bring up your browser, but before that I would like to carefully that how you have to fix it depending that on what kind of website you are getting this error message. Now at this moment I am on a website that is expired.vessel.com. I am not aware of this website, and I have never used it. I am coming to this website for the first time, so I am not sure that whether to trust or not. And if you read the message here, it says the attackers might be trying to steal your information from this website, example password, messages or credit cards. Now there is another method that comes up. It says the connection to this is not secure. You are seeing this warning because this site does not support HTTPS, so those kind of similar messages you can get. Alright, so if you do not identify a website, kindly ignore it. But if you are getting this message on multiple websites, almost on all the websites, then probably this can be some kind of browser issue or some kind of certification issue from your PC. So become many people reported that they have the issue on a trusted website like PayPal, Quora. So in that case, apply the solution that I am going to share in this video. First, try to clearing the cache and the cookies. Now once you are on the website, on the very top you will find this lock icon. Here you click on it, and where it says not secure, and you can see a triangle icon, so you can click on it. Then it says cookies, then you have to just click on to this cookies, and then remove the cookies. Once you are remove all the cookies, then try to reload the website and check that if this fix your problem or not. And if it is not, then you have to clear the browsing data, cache and everything from your browser. So on your Google Chrome, on the very right hand top you will see the three dot. Just click on it, then open up to setting, click on settings. From the left hand menu option, click on privacy and security. Then here you will find clear browsing data. Just click on it. Now it should come with a basic on, so you have to choose advanced. And now you have to choose all time check, the box of browsing data, download history, cookies, cache. You can uncheck password and autofills from date, or else it will deleted all your data or save password. So you can check all the boxes. So after that click on clear data, and it will take some time depending that how much temporary and the browsing data you have on your browser. So have patience, and once it's been complete, just click on the search box and type here date. Now from the suggestion choose change the date and time, and here you need to assure that this time has been enabled, set time automatically time zone. If this has been enabled, it will automatically detect the right location and right time. Now from the left hand menu, click on religion, and here in the country of religion you have to choose your own country. Okay, so wherever you are living in USA, UK, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, so you just have to choose the right country. So after choosing the country and location, just come back here again to date and time. Just disable and then enable it again. Now after this you can check back after you're restarting your browser and open the same website. I am very sure that your problem will be fixed, and if this works for you, please click on the like and subscribe button. If you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.